Hi everyone, I've got your phonics lesson for you today. I would like you to find this worksheet in your pack, please, and I would like us to have a look at these digraphs. We've got and So they are all represented by the same phoneme, but the sound they make are represented by a different grapheme. The grapheme is what it looks like written down, but the phoneme is the sound it makes, isn't it? Okay, so as you can see here, they all make the same sound, don't they? Uh. But they're all represented by a different grapheme. Look, you can see this one. This has the letter name I and R. This is represented by the letter name U and R. And this is represented by the letter name E and R. Okay, so what I'd like us to do now is I want you to be able to read these words here. Okay, so we've got the word here, girl. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to carry on reading all the words that you've got here. Then I want us to read these ones here, burn. Okay. Then I want us to read these ones here, never. Okay, so that's going to be your job, to practice reading these words. Then your next job is going to be to write some sentences with these words. So how we did in our phonics yesterday, we chose some words and we put them into a sentence, didn't we? So I want you to have a go and do as many sentences as you can using the words that are written down there. You can also see if you can challenge yourself to see if you could get one of the words in each of these boxes here into just to one single sentence. See if you could do that. You might need to use some conjunctions like and, so, because. So you can have a go at that. Remember, the start of your sentence needs a capital letter. We need finger spaces between all the words, don't we? And we need a full stop at the end. So you could just write the sentences for these on the back of this worksheet. You could just try, oh God, I can't speak, put some lines on to help you with your sentences. But I want us to read them and to write some of them into some sentences, because that's what we need to really practice. That's a quick phonics session today, because I think we've got, I want to give people time to catch up on anything that they've been doing at home as well so far. So this might give you a bit of a time if you've been revisiting some maths or you've taken longer to do your English, that's fine. It'll just allow people some time to catch up with where we're up to now. And I just think it's good to kind of continue to read words and put them into sentences. Okay, so we've got the okay, and tomorrow you are going to be doing some phase 6 phonics, and we are going to actually be adding this but it's going to be a suffix at the end of a word, but I'm not going to confuse you now with that. Okay, so have a go at that today. Find this worksheet in your work pack and see if you can do that. Okay, if you can't find the worksheet in your work pack, then you could just write these words down or pause this video now, couldn't you? That's absolutely fine. So have a lovely day, everybody, and I can't wait to see some of the work you've been doing. Thank you for sharing the work that you've done yesterday. Some of you, it makes me feel so happy when I get to see it. Okay, have a lovely day, everybody. Bye.